Hello everyone. Today we'll do a very basic example in Rust. That is basically a traits. Okay, so trait is basically very similar to the interfaces in Java. And if you want to know more about traits, then yes, this is example. Okay, trait is a collection of methods defined for unknown types self. Okay, they can access other methods declared in same trait. It implement any data type. Example, this is example I am going to implement. Okay, so struct. Okay, so basically it's like model in Java. I come from Java background, so that's why I speak more Java. I also know that this kind of syntax you can also find in C. And here we have like animal trait animal. So fn new, then name, then type. Okay, return type will be string str. Okay, function. This is my define. So this look very similar to the interface in Java. Okay, then IMPL sheep, fn is naked, fn shear. Okay, then IMPL animal for sheep. So here we are getting some implementation of sheep, implementation in animal for the sheep. Okay, and then fn new, the of course data type, and then sheep name. Okay, and naked false. So sheep is okay. So naked is false, and name is set, and now new. Okay, function new, function name, and then function noise, then function talk. Okay, so there are the four functions which are getting implemented in sheep. There are two functions, and maybe animals we have some more functions. Okay, naked, new, name noise, new name noise talk. So naked is not used. Okay, share is not used. Okay, new name noise talk. Okay, so all functions which are defined here got implemented in this implementation. And finally we got main dolly talk. Dolly, what is dolly? Okay, dolly is the reference of sheep. Animal new dolly. Okay, dolly talk, shear and talk. Okay, now I will show you that live example. Okay, this is the main function. Okay, so what I will do, I will start this command prompt. Unfortunately, his name is not correct. This name of this project guessing game is false, but somehow we are using the project. Okay. So now I will try to run this project. Okay. Normally, if you come from some other programming, I'm getting an error. Okay, let's see the first error. Xtix system. So I'm not using it, so it is unused thing. Obviously, if I'm using some other programming language, I would be consuming some memory for this thing, and this is not accepted in Rust. Maybe. Okay. Create demo, yes. Mod addition. I'm not using any mod addition also. So let's run it again. Let's see what happens. Okay. No, no. Here. And again, I'm getting a warning actually. It's not error, it's a warning add. So addition, I will remove it. Okay. And again, I run it. So I got pause briefly. Okay. Talk. Okay. Dolly pause briefly. Dolly talk. Dolly share. And dolly talk again. Okay. Dolly talk. Okay, Dolly pass briefly. Okay, Dolly get haircut. Dolly get haircut. Okay, basically, when I call this method, so these three methods will be executed: talk, share, and again talk. So as I talk, so this will be the same, I think, but here sign is changed. Okay, that I have to see. Okay, so that's how it will be proceeded. And like talk. Okay, so now I'm not getting any error. First thing, this is one advantage, talk, and I'm getting Dolly pauses briefly, noise. Okay, shear. Okay, so Dolly talk and talk. Okay, so I understand one thing that like Dolly talk will come here. Okay, and Dolly talk pauses briefly, then ba with this sign. With this sign, it means it is not self is not naked. If it is this sign, then self is naked. But something is happening with the shear. Okay, so thank you very much. Uh, watching this video, and we'll discuss later about other stuff like what is this ampersand means and other stuff. Mhm.